When my garage started to get dank and stanky, I decided I had to do something different. Folks, my name is Adam and we're looking at this. It is a HEPA filter system that is absolutely incredible. This is the Abestorm V3 air scrubber, a 550 CFM HEPA system with 3-stage filtration, and it's changed the way we do business. Now, my garage serves as a storage area for things that we ship out. It also, on this side, is my gymnasium. But unfortunately, we live in the lowlands here in Florida. It gets humid and wet, and for whatever reason, mold and mildew seem to come right out of the concrete and the siding, and it starts to get a smell in here. And then it gets a film on our equipment. It starts to affect the things that we ship out, and we just can't have that. So we picked this up, and it is doing a world of difference. Now, this has one of the most impressive filtration systems around, and this will cover a large area. This is maybe a 5-car garage, and we have no problem cleaning the air in the entire system. This has this little cap right here that we can literally cut a hole in and use it to vent in specific tubes and things, or we can leave it open right here. And folks, we're going to tell you all about it. We're going to give you the details, we're going to show you the filter, and help you decide if this is the right product for you. Now, one of the things that I like about this is that it has multiple outlets right here on the top, which means that you can daisy chain multiples of these together, giving you this entire vacuuming system, perfect for an industrial warehouse, or just do one, which is going to hit my 5-car garage here, going to help with my storage area and my garage gym, so we're able to take care of everything we need. And with this impressive filter that we're going to show you here in a moment, this is doing the job eloquently. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right now. So let me show you the interface and control panel. You have the auxiliary outlets at 115 volts, dual 12 amp outlets. That means you can run multiple devices. Very cool. We've got a circuit breaker, a notification for when it's time to change your HEPA filter, and you can easily adjust the speed and crank that right up. That's because the folks at Abestorm have thought about just about everything with this fantastic system. Now, as we back up, I do want to show you, they've rubberized all sides. So depending on how you want to use this, you can lay it on its back, you can lay it on its side. There's a lot of ways that you can get your filtration done, and in cases where you've got maybe a more sensitive ground, maybe a marble or a tile, you don't have to worry about scratching it up. Now folks, I'm going to open it up in front of you. Now, I like the fact that it is easy to change the filter. And you can see that this is a material that's built to last. This isn't going to dent up or scratch up very easily. Now, these trite filters are really impressive. You've got a MERV 17 standard pleat filter marked for the front side and the back side, so it's easy to understand. Carbon activation, and yeah, this thing is truly a beautiful design. Sits right in place. We're going to put it back in there. We're going to put the cap back on. And then we've got the additional filter right here, giving you a thorough way to take care of your air. They've just thought of everything here, making sure that you can easily replace it. It's got the notification when it's time, and just a beautiful snap design. Nothing could be easier, nothing could be more reliable, nothing could be designed better for you. And that top filter is a MERV 10 standard pleat filter, size 37, approximately 34 by 2 centimeters. In addition, my friends, this brand is known for its 30-day price match guarantee. Abestorm guarantees that they will refund the difference if you find a lower price within 30 days. They've got a thoughtful design. Every detail is engineered for your convenience, ease of installation and maintenance, the advanced technology and innovation, and they have a 10-year warranty. Reliable and durable performance is something you can trust from them with a 10-year warranty. So for me, it's really about getting rid of the dust and the mildew in the air. That could be your crawl space, that could be your basement, your attic, your bonus room, your garage, or your storage area. This is really an important thing. Now, this can run for the entire house, and that's going to be important as well. Think about that. Do you ever wake up with a headache? Do you ever wake up kind of achy and just can't sleep? Do your sinuses get filled through the night? That's because this filtration system is taking in all those mold spores and all that grossness. Why don't you let this filtration do it for you and save your nose that hassle, save the sinus headache, save the congestion, save the ear aches. If your kids are getting ear infections and things like that, it certainly could be what's in the air. And this is going to change the world for you, and it's going to change the world for me as well. So very quickly, let me give you a few more details about the system. This is also a great time to go ahead and pick it up and put it in your cart. Now, the pre-filter MERV 10 is really impressive. It will get rid of 99.97% of particles larger than 0.3 microns. And with an activated carbon filter, it's going to get rid of all those odors. It's got the advanced functional features, including the circuit breaker, and this will cut off if that power exceeds 10 amps. And of course, the auxiliary outputs allows you to run up to 3 units with a total amperage per unit of 10 when off, 9 when on. And of course, it has that notification for filter replacement. That makes it easy for you. You don't have to worry about it. Of course, with the stackable design, you can put multiple right here. And I gotta give a big shout out to the company. Let me back up so you can see this, but they've made a very ergonomic design, and this is surprisingly lighter than you would think. You can pick it up, take it with you, put it in any corner of the house, the garage, the warehouse, wherever you may need it, easy and efficiently. Whoop, there you go. I'll also note that it's also very quiet and easy to use. Folks, I've had very good experience with this company, a premier brand, great clientele, great customer service from top to bottom. Everybody associated with them is top of the line. Very happy to work with them. You know I appreciate you. You guys are fantastic, but it's time to get to shopping. It's time to go ahead and pick one up and put it in your cart. You know I love and appreciate you. Thank you so much for joining us. Go get one. Goodbye, my friends.